Hello there and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at modal verbs exercises. So, let's dive in. Complete the following exercise with past modal verbs. Use the correct form of the verbs in parentheses. Choose between affirmative and negative. You have 5 seconds to give your answer before I'm gonna move on to the next item and give you the correct answer. If you think 5 seconds is not enough, you can pause the video. Number 1. I got a C on my math test. I blank better than that. Answer. I got a C on my math test. I should have done better than that. Number 2 and 3. Don't be so hard on yourself. It blank your fault. Answer for number 2. Don't be so hard on yourself. It may not have been your fault. It just blank a more difficult test than usual. Answer. It just could have been a more difficult test than usual. Number 4 and 5. No, it blank that difficult. The rest of the class did pretty well. I blank harder. Answer for number 4. No, it couldn't have been that difficult. The rest of the class did pretty well. And number 5. I should have studied harder. Number 6 and 7. What blank you blank differently? Answer. What could you have done differently? Number 8. Well, for one thing, I blank that day of class. You missed a day. Did you get the notes? Answer is, well, for one thing, I shouldn't have missed that day of class. You missed a day. Did you get the notes? Number 9 and 10. No, I blank them. Some of the problems which I got wrong from that day. Answer is, no, I ought to have copied them. Some of the problems which I got wrong must have come from that day. The next slide is about can versus be able to exercise. So, let's dive in. Can versus be able to. Use the verbs in the box with a suitable form of be able to or can. Use correct verb tenses. Meet, manage, take, win, speak, hear, see, detect, concentrate, play. Number 1. Our team blank the cup 6 times in 20 years now. Answer. Our team has been able to win the cup 6 times in 20 years now. Number 2. Walter blanked the dog on the dark road at the last moment and avoided hitting it. Answer. Walter blanked the dog on the dark road at the last moment and avoided hitting it. Answer. Walter was able to see the dog on the dark road at the last moment and avoided hitting it. Number 3. My boyfriend and I blank again next Monday. Answer. My boyfriend and I will be able to meet again next Monday, or my boyfriend and I can meet again next Monday. Number 4. Frank blanked any Spanish when he got a job offer from a company in Spain. Answer, Frank couldn't speak any Spanish when he got a job offer from a company in Spain. Or, Frank wasn't able to speak any Spanish when he got a job offer from a company in Spain. Number 5. As his leg was in plaster, John blank for the next couple weeks. Answer, as his leg was in plaster, John won't be able to play for the next couple weeks. Number 6. Although this is her first day in the office, Tina blanked very well so far. Answer, although this is her first day in the office, Tina has been able to manage very well so far. Number 7. Since the teenagers were partying very loudly, they blanked the doorbell. Answer, since the teenagers were partying very loudly, they weren't able to hear the doorbell. Or, since the teenagers were partying very loudly, they couldn't hear the doorbell. Number 8. Astronomers blank more detailed pictures once this new space telescope has been put into orbit. Number 8. Astronomers will be able to take more detailed pictures once this new space telescope has been put into orbit. Number 9. I blank with so many problems that are bothering me. I will try again later. Answer, I can't concentrate with so many problems that are bothering me. I will try again later. Number 10, last item. Scientists blank any signals from any form of intelligent life in space so far. Answer, scientists haven't been able to detect any signals from any form of intelligent life in space so far. So there you go, guys. That's the end of this practice exercise. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Good luck and thanks for watching.